Hi guys, on this video we're gonna unbox this Kingslim dual dash cam D4. This is a 4K front and 1080p HD back dual video recording with a 3-inch IPS touchscreen. So it has also Sony Starvis sensor with built-in Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, and a wide point of view. So let's unbox it. Okay, so right out in the box we have this. Okay, so I guess this is the camera itself. So this is the main camera. Oh, it's actually quite small. With the on and off button here, and the charger and SD card slot here, power slot, USB there, and I guess this is for the second camera, and this is for slot. We have the films here, protective films. We have here the manual, how to install the front and rear camera. You have here the charging cable goes to your cigarette cigarette lighter charger, and we have here the long wire with the rear camera. And we have some 3M or double-sided tape, and this is the rear camera. The prying tool here for you to install it on your side, and more tapes that you can use, or double-sided tapes. And this is the mounting bracket. Oh, so this is where you can put the power. So you put it on the window. This is where you plug the power, and the power gives you this. So you don't need to use this slot here. So install it like this. There it clicks, and then you put it on your windshield, and that's it, and then it moves. Let's see, and then I'll try to install it in the car and check it out. Now to remove it, you need to press this one and pull it up. Press, pull. I see there. Oh, turn on. Oh, there's a battery. Oh, it's just neat. Well, it has a little battery for emergency power, but yeah. Okay, try to install it. Let's find it out. Okay, currently installed it. It's working fine. Tested it out. So I just installed it, wired it, put it, and installed the backup, the back camera over there, the 1080p, and this one is the front one is 4K. Looks really nice, and it's so light and compact. And I just had it with the cigarette lighter. If you want it in a parking mode, you need to use a hardwire kit to plug it in your batteries, but this one is enough. And if for example you have an accident, you just need to press this button, lock, and it will save the couple of minutes of recording there. And this has a built-in GPS, so this one is already the GPS, and then it's powered by the power cable there, and the camera is powered by the GPS, which has a connector there as well. And this is connection to the back camera. So it's already been saved. Now, as you can see here, it's really cool. And I'm driving, which should be not be allowed, so it's really cool. The best feature that I like from this one is whenever you had an accident, you saved it with the lock button, and then you can connect it to your phone by using the Wi-Fi. So you click the Wi-Fi button, and then once the Wi-Fi button on, you need to go to your phone, change your Wi-Fi settings, and connect to the Wi-Fi Kingslim FAD and the Wi-Fi password. And you need to download the Roadcam app. I'll show you. You need to download connect to the Kingslim_FAD-B, and it's connected without internet, of course. You go to the app, which is the Roadcam, which is this one installed already. So you just need to click this Kingslim_FAD-B, which is your camera, and as you can see here, it's doing a live of the front camera. And this is, it click the middle one, it's the back camera. There, it's trying to load. Okay, and then if you click the video on the left side, click the video, you will see here all the loops. I set it to 3 minutes loop, so every 3 minutes it cuts the video clip and save another clip. So the one that we saved earlier, which is emergency, is this one. So we have the front camera here. This is what I saved earlier. It saved about a minute video there. And this is the back camera. It's quite cool, right? So the front camera is 4K. I'm not sure if it's 4K, but I need to check on the and the back camera is 1080p HD. It's quite cool. So if you want to download any video, you need to go back, click on the video, and let's see what we will download here. Okay, let's try to download this one, 280p. We're going to the bridge there, so I need to click it, select, and click the download button on the lower left. Click download, and it's downloading it right now. It'll take a while, 200 MB. And also download the one on the right. Okay, we need to wait. So I'm downloading the front and the back at the same time. Well, the download speed is not that fast. I guess it's using 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection there, but it's good enough. We're just downloading. Okay, see in our gallery. There you go. It's there. Now let's check it out. Is there audio? Wait, I don't have audio. Oh, that's the front one. The back, let's check the back camera. It's the same. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I honestly recommend this Dashcam. It's really cool and reliable. And let's see, if something happens, we'll post it. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.